Welcome to Listen and Learn English. I am so happy you are here today. This is a very special lesson. It is for you if you think you do not have enough time to learn English. It is for you if you are busy but still want to improve. It is for you if you want a simple, practical plan that works. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to improve your English in just 30 minutes a day. Yes, just 30 minutes. That is all you need. That is enough. That is powerful. That is life-changing. Think about it. 30 minutes is not a lot of time. It is half an hour. It is the time you spend scrolling on social media. It is the time you spend watching one TV show. It is the time you spend drinking coffee in the morning. It is the time you spend waiting for something. Everyone has 30 minutes. Everyone can find 30 minutes. The question is, how do you use those 30 minutes? Do you waste them? Or do you invest them? Do you use them to improve yourself? Or do you use them to do nothing? The choice is yours. But here's the good news. You do not need hours. You do not need to study all day. You do not need to sacrifice your life. You just need 30 minutes. 30 minutes of focused, intentional practice. Every day. That is it. That is the secret. That is the key. That is the path to fluency. And today, I will show you exactly how to use those 30 minutes. I will give you a step-by-step plan, a plan that works, a plan that is simple, a plan that you can start today. But you might be thinking, can I really improve with just 30 minutes a day? Yes, absolutely. Consistency is more important than intensity. 30 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week. 30 minutes every day builds momentum. It builds habit. It builds fluency. It builds confidence. It is not about how much you do. It is about how often you do it. It is about showing up every day. It is about making English a part of your daily life. And 30 minutes a day is enough. It is more than enough. So, if you are ready to transform your English in just 30 minutes a day, listen carefully. Take notes. Repeat after me. Practice with me. This is your guide to a simple, powerful daily routine. Are you ready? Let us begin. Now let me share with you the 30-minute English routine. This is a simple, practical plan. It is divided into 3 parts. Each part is 10 minutes. 10 minutes for listening. 10 minutes for speaking. 10 minutes for writing and reading. That is it. 3 simple parts, 10 minutes each. 30 minutes total. Let me explain each part. The first 10 minutes are for listening. This is your input time. This is where you train your ears. This is where you expose yourself to real English. Find a short audio, a podcast, a YouTube video, a news clip, a song, anything. Listen to it carefully. Listen to the words. Listen to the pronunciation. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to the intonation. Listen actively. Do not just let it play in the background. Focus. Pay attention. Try to understand. Try to catch new words. Try to catch new phrases. This is how you train your ears. This is how you improve your comprehension. This is how you build a foundation for speaking. The second 10 minutes are for speaking. This is your output time. This is where you practice using your voice. This is where you build fluency. This is where you build confidence. Take what you just listened to. Repeat it. Shadow it. Imitate it. Say the words out loud. Say the sentences out loud. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the rhythm. Copy the intonation. If you do not have audio, speak to yourself. Narrate your life. Describe what you are doing. Describe what you are seeing. Describe what you are feeling. Just speak. Use your voice. Practice output. This is how you train your mouth. This is how you train your brain. This is how you become fluent. The third 10 minutes are for reading and writing. This is your combined input and output time. Start with reading. Read a short text, a paragraph, a news headline, a social media post, a story. Read it carefully, read it aloud, then move to writing. Write about what you read. Write a summary. Write your thoughts. Write your opinion. Write a response. Write a journal entry. Just write. Use new words. Use new phrases. Use correct grammar. This is how you build vocabulary. This is how you build grammar. This is how you build thinking in English. That is the routine. 3 parts. 10 minutes each. 30 minutes total. Simple. Practical. Effective. Do this every day. I promise you, your English will improve. Your fluency will grow. Your confidence will soar. This is the path to mastery. Now let me give you some tips for each part. For listening, choose content that is slightly above your level. Not too easy, not too hard. Just right. This is how you grow. Listen to the same audio multiple times. Repeat it again. Each time you will understand more. Each time you will hear more. Write down new words. Write down new phrases. Look them up. Learn them. Use them later. Listen to different accents. British, American, Australian, different speakers. This will train your ears to understand everyone. Listen actively. Do not just let it play. Focus. Pay attention. Try to understand every word. For speaking, speak out loud. Do not whisper. Do not speak in your head. Use your voice. Let it out. Shadow native speakers. Copy their pronunciation. Copy their rhythm. Copy their intonation. This is powerful practice. Talk to yourself. Narrate your life. Describe what you are doing. Describe what you are seeing. Describe what you are feeling. Record yourself. Listen to your voice. Hear your mistakes. Hear your progress. This is powerful feedback. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are how you learn. Just speak. Keep speaking. For reading and writing, read aloud. This combines reading and speaking. This is powerful practice. Read slowly, read clearly, read with expression. This helps your pronunciation. This helps your fluency. Write every day, even just 5 sentences. Write about your day. Write about your feelings. Write about your thoughts. Use new words. Use new phrases. Practice what you have learned. This is how you make vocabulary yours. Review your writing. Correct your mistakes. Learn from them. Improve every day. Here are some general tips. Be consistent. Do it every day. Even if you are tired, even if you are busy, just 30 minutes. Be patient. Progress takes time. Do not expect overnight results. Trust the process. Keep going. Be flexible. You can adjust the routine. If you are short on time, do 15 minutes. But do something every day. Be motivated. Remember your goal. Remember your dream. Remember why you started. Be proud. Every day you practice, you are improving. Celebrate your small wins. Now, let me give you a sample daily schedule. This is how you can fit 30 minutes of English into your busy day. Everyone's schedule is different, but here's an example. You can adapt it to your own life. Start your day with English in the morning. While you are having breakfast, put on a podcast. Listen for 10 minutes. Choose something interesting. Choose something you enjoy. This is passive and active listening. It wakes up your brain. It gets you in the English mindset. Take a break in the afternoon. Find a quiet place. Speak to yourself for 10 minutes. Narrate your day so far. Describe what you did. Describe what you are doing. Describe what you will do. This is powerful practice. This is where you build fluency. This is where you build confidence. Before you go to bed in the evening, spend 10 minutes reading and writing. Read a short article. Read a story. Read a social media post. Then write about it. Write a summary. Write your thoughts. Write your opinion. This calms your mind. This reinforces what you learned. This helps you remember vocabulary. This is the perfect way to end your day. That is it. 3 simple blocks, 10 minutes each, 30 minutes total. It fits into any schedule. It does not require a lot of time. It does not require a lot of effort. It just requires consistency. It just requires commitment. It just requires showing up every day. But you might be thinking, I do not have 10 minutes in the morning. That is okay. You can adjust. Do 15 minutes in the afternoon and 15 minutes in the evening. Do 30 minutes before bed. Do 30 minutes during your lunch break. Find what works for you. Find what fits your schedule. The important thing is that you do it every day. The important thing is that you invest 30 minutes in your English every day. Here is another example. If you commute, use your commute. Listen to a podcast while driving. Shadow the speaker while walking. Read signs and write notes while on public transport. If you have a lunch break, use it. Speak to yourself while eating. Write a journal entry while resting. If you have downtime, use it. Watch a video while waiting. Repeat sentences while relaxing. Every moment is an opportunity. Every moment is a chance to improve. Use your time wisely. Invest in your English. Now, my dear student, you have completed the journey. You have learned the 30-minute English routine. You have learned tips for each part. You have seen a sample daily schedule. This is your guide. This is your path. This is your transformation. But I must tell you the truth. Knowing these things is not enough. You must take action. You must apply them to your life. You must start the routine. You must practice every day. You must invest 30 minutes every day in your English. This is not just a lesson. This is your life. This is your journey. You must live it. You must breathe it. You must become it. Remember, 30 minutes is not a lot of time. It is half an hour. It is one episode of a TV show. It is one scroll through social media. It is one coffee break. Everyone has 30 minutes. Everyone can find 30 minutes. The question is, do you want to improve? Do you want to become fluent? Do you want to achieve your dreams? If the answer is yes, then you must invest 30 minutes every day. You must make English a priority. You must show up every day. Think about your future. Imagine yourself in 1 year. Imagine yourself speaking English fluently. Imagine yourself having conversations. Imagine yourself being confident. Imagine yourself achieving your goals. This future is possible. This future is waiting for you. But you must take the first step. You must start the 30-minute routine. You must start today. Do not wait. Do not delay. Start now. Your journey begins today. You are not a sin. I am with you every step of the way. This channel is your home, your safe space, your training ground. Every video I make is for you. Every word I say is for you. I believe in you. I truly believe in you. You have the power inside you. You just need to use it. So take a deep breath. Look at yourself in the mirror. Say this out loud. I will invest 30 minutes a day in my English. I will improve. I will become fluent. I will achieve my dreams. Now, go and start the 30-minute routine. Practice every day. Improve every day. Your journey begins now. You are capable. You are powerful. You are unstoppable. Go and become the fluent speaker you were meant to be. See you in the next video. Bye for now.